Use an iQueue swatch page to visually choose a spot color replacement or match on the physical substrate. First, select the color and drag the swatch color range slider in the Print Swatch page section. A coarse page will give you a wider selection of colors, while a fine range will help you make nuanced adjustments. Choose the size of the media and select Print Swatch page to create it as a new job. Open the swatch page and print onto the job substrate. This will let you find what color appears best on the final product. Choose the best color from the swatch page and note the index number below it. Go back to the original image's RightOn tab and select the spot color that you're changing. Now enter the index code you found for the replacement color into the Change To box. Click Apply to save your changes, and they will appear in the Job Preview tab.